The first step is to put the pasta in a cauldron of boiling water. The second step is chop tomato, onion and garlic and put in a cauldron with hot. The pasta is ready between 10 and 15. The last step is to put the pasta with everything. Like that. Oh. The last step is to put. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Look this. Look this. Wow.